So guys, in this video you will learn how you can do organic marketing. It's not a fake or not spam. It's completely organic marketing. The topic is 100 mastery secret. So this topic is very popular, and you know that sometimes when you need real traffic you must work hard. So I just give you 100 topic here. Please don't skip this. Must make 100 topic blog in your blog set, and after that what you need to do I will tell. But first, what topic you chose, come to Grok and imagine and paste here. Here you can find the high quality image. Say every image is very high quality and it's completely free. See, it's coming. And after choosing the right image from here, you can make the blog post also from Grok. You know, Grok is very popular now. And why? Because it's actually giving a free resource to you. So make mysterious content you can use Grok easily. So what I am making here, see, I just chose a topic about mysterious and I just make a blog from here and I chose image. After that I will make a post in my blog. So see, I need to copy this post from here. Okay, see, this is full post is ready now. I just copy this from here and go to the blog site, new post. You can use compose view, paste in here and give it title and image. So image is from Grok, same. Copy the URL from here and just paste in insert and by URL paste it. So guys, see, this is very simple method using mysterious topic. You must know the process and must do 100 post must. After that, give a title in here. So I just give a title from here to there and click on publish. Now see what happened is really amazing. Post is ready and you now need to copy the link from here. Okay, copy this link from here and paste it in the Pinterest. That's it, in here. See, so many things you can do with this method, like Grok and Pinterest. And just copy, okay, save this image, then paste it in there. Okay, now you can see I just paste the link, blog link here, and let's test this one actually what's happening. Okay, blog is working. Now blog is ready and ad also have included in here. I didn't do much impression ad in here and pasted in. So guys, you always ask that where I can get organic traffic. This is the main things that you have to know how organic traffic work, and people working using this method, so you must do this. Without doing this you can get organic work traffic. Okay, see, everything is ready and you just can visit your site from here. And when see your image, I mean my image is better than all. They are not professional, but my image is professional, my post is professional. Okay, now what I'm gonna make is very simple. Testing the link again. My website is working perfectly, and after that, see, as you can see, after that I will just marketing it in a traffic exchange site. It's I do. If you skip one, you can also, I will share a secret in Facebook group where is so many member, but the post is completely without admin approval. So first see traffic advert how it's work. Click on login and enter your password. Give the password in here. If you don't have, you just sign up in here and add your website link in there and get some traffic from here. Okay, don't access $5 access. Okay, don't earn. I mean, if you earn each day $5 from this site, your account will be banned. I cannot ensure that. But if you use only 1 hour 2 hour traffic, not much more than 1 hour, that's okay. Don't use more than 1 hour and click on this language and save it. After that, just boost traffic in your website. That's it. You have to exercise every day, new method with your blog, and don't rely on only one thing. Always update, do same things again and again and again, and make an ecosystem. Like me, I just make an ecosystem, everything in one place. I just click, drag, drop. That's it. You have to know how actually this work. See, ad is already loading, and when I got points, that points will send traffic to me. That's it. Already so many people showing their ads in here. Okay, so you can also get traffic from here. That's it. And after that, when it's completed, after that you need to do one thing. The thing is, you need to go to Facebook, and there you will get so many interesting group. But you know what, don't need to post every group. Find only top 10 group, and where your post do not need admin approval, and in that group just paste your link in there, and then okay, you do not need to, you will see the result within 1 or 2 days. Okay, if you hit only one, see already bonus is added, and my work is done, and I know actually how this work. And so guys, if you don't I can say it, but it's work. That's it. And now as you can see, everything is perfectly working. I'm going to Facebook. So in Facebook you must have, proper knowledge about group. So first click on Facebook, and after that you just search this link, free link share, say 105k. How many members is in here, and the group is completely free. 105k, and the group is completely free. So you need to do this, post your link in here. Just simply do this. That's it. Just paste your link, give an image, or you already download the image if you don't. So download the image from here. Okay, and just post it. And that's it. So as you can see, everything is completed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye.